This is our sound wall rap in first grade. Hope you enjoy it. Consonants are first and they're not so tough. Put your hand by your mouth and feel the fast puff. Good. Voice sounds are next. Sounds that you can feel. Put your hand by your throat, 'cause things are getting real. B, g, d, j. Good. Continue insert sounds that you need to know. Say the sound and watch it grow, grow, grow. Sh, z, sh. Good. Schwa, baby, it says, banana, banana, banana. Turn that frown upside down, 'cause you're going down to Vowel Town. You can smile all day if you move your lips this way. I, a, You can't forget the R sound. He is the boss. Without his sounds, you would be lost. R, or. Wait, there are more vowels. We're not through. Start at the E and go all the way to U. E, I, A, I, O, U. Good job. Glide, baby. It says whoosh. I gotta find them. Sorry. There they are. Yeah. Good. I hope you enjoyed our sound ball.